My name is Ryan Mendez. I'm the Production Supervisor for the fabricated parts. What I do at Gerard Daniel is I handle a lot of the planning of what's going on out in our fabrication department, from scheduling to quality inspections and different types of stuff, training. My favorite part about working at Gerard Daniel is, one, the team. Two, I'm allowed to use my creativity to make changes in processes or come up with new products. My day-to-day at Gerard Daniels, I work with sales and engineering to make sure we're hitting customer requirements with on-time delivery, and we're continuously improving out in the shop, whether it's processes or products. Some of the relationships I built in Gerard Daniel is quite a few, actually. I've been here for 13 years, so I've worked with, trained, met a lot of different people, a lot of different mentalities and mindsets, and they've all been pretty good. It's been a good 13 years. Here at Gerard Daniel, I believe I make a difference.